So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to apply for a line of credit here on Tangerine Bank. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts, then scroll down and either select open up an account, or you can go to where it says explore our products right here. Slide this all the way to the right and then you can press on borrowing. Once the borrowing page is selected, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the Tangerine line of credit. You can go ahead and press the arrow right here if you want to read more about it. If this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press add accounts, and then press continue. So once you're here, you can review the product that you selected, which in this case is a Tangerine line of credit. And if you want to proceed with the application of this, go to the bottom, press continue, answer the next couple questions, provide the required documents, and then you can apply for a line of credit that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to apply for a line of credit here on a Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.